This is the Asian tiger mosquito, scientifically known as Aedes albopictus. It is easy to recognize because of its black body with striking white stripes, just like a tiger. Unlike common mosquitoes, this species is most active during the day. It is dangerous because it can spread deadly diseases like dengue, chikungunya, Zika virus, and yellow fever. These mosquitoes usually breed in small containers, stagnant water, and even in flower pots. Preventing them is simple. Remove standing water and keep your surroundings clean. Stay safe from the bite of the Asian tiger mosquito.